Hi, I'm Hardik Tailor and I'm from Gujarat. I wasn't supposed to be here, I guess, but it happened for me 2 days back. I literally registered for the event a day prior, and luckily I got that ticket from a person. Got transferred from me, and I guess that was the best decision that I made. That was an impromptu decision, but the best decision that I made. And obviously, I won't be a different one if I say this was a life-changing thing for me. But it obviously has been. It has been for everyone. And the thing is, capturing WOW is not just a wedding photography event, but it's something where the photographers actually tell you how you should be a wedding photographer and what thinking you should be, what mindset you should go with, and everything around it. So how things should go in a particular way to be a great photographer, to be a goat, and how to be a caterpillar and get out of your cocoon in a particular direction. They are not just a mentor, but more of a friend than just a mentor. I'm very happy to be here, and I hope I join for more events like this. Thank you.